Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
It's the Concert Series, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for our main event of our doubleheader. This time around, we got singer and guitarist Jed Baruelo. Did I say it right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. There he is. I'm going to introduce you first. All right. He started to learn the piano at the age of 9 and guitar at the age of 11. Now, Jed started professionally as a bass player and singer when he was 17. Jed currently released Paumanhin. It is a ballad rock confession about love unraveling under broken promises. Uy, yung mga pangako, sakit yun. And emotional fatigue. Napagod na siya. Okay. It captures the quiet moment of asking for space, healing, and honesty. Choosing to pause and breathe, even if it means letting go. Storytelling and courage to say sorry before fading love finally ends. Wow, these are the things that we're going to get to discover right now. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise. First time here in the Concert Series. Make some noise for Jed Baruelo. Is that right? Baruelo? Okay, cool.
Monster RX 93.1.
Yeah, make some noise for Jed.
Thank you.
That's part of the emotion. Yo,
Thank you.
galing, ah. So, our president there at the office saying, that's a great song.
Thank you
Just
so
hearing
much.
it.
Thank you
That's
so
a great
much.
song. So, ang ending niya, nag-cool off kayo, tapos, break na.
Oh, wala na.
Yeah. Paano, ano ang inspiration ng song na yun? Is this a true-to-life story?
Medyo true to life.
Yeah,
Kasi ano siya more of sa mga na-observe ko ngayon kasi parang usually mga couples ngayon nagbe-break na lang na parang wala namang reason, ganun. Di sinasabi yung totoong reason.
Mhm.
So, kung hindi mo masabi yung totoong reason, di ba, parang mag-sorry ka na lang kasi ayun, hindi mo kaya.
It's
ganun.
better that way, no?
Mhm.
And when you wrote that song, I mean, was it how much pain, just like that microphone that fell again, how much pain, did it require? And then when you heard it, did it make you feel a little better na para bang therapeutic ba to?
Ay, oo. Kasi parang siya nung nasulat ko,
Mhm.
parang tagal ko siyang na-record. So, nung na-record ko na siya, parang mas gumaan sa pakiramdam.
It's a great
Ayun.
song.
Yeah, thank
Congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
all your music, I mean, when you started your musical career, how long were you with Superstar?
I'm with Sony Music.
Sony
Group,
Music
yes.
naman. Okay, so how long have you been with the label?
3 years.
3 years.
Now. Hello. Shout out Sony Music.
Okay.
Hello.
But things are so big now, di ba? I mean, with Beanie being, in Coachella, how did that inspire you as an artist?
Siyempre, lahat naman tayo nag-aspire na to go international talaga. So, super inspiring yun na nagagawa nila yun, na-achieve nila ngayon. And sana magawa ko rin.
Di ba? Parang it opened the door.
Oo.
We'll be seeing you in Coachella, right?
Yeah.
So, of course, the songs that you have, is this from your album?
Hindi. Na siya after na ng album na na-release ko. Ito, bago na siya.
Bagong song. Okay,
Bagong
so but then
song.
the songs that you'll perform today, these are from your album.
Yes, oo.
Okay.
From the
Ano-
Helwick album.
Ano yung theme nung album na yun?
Oh, yung Helwick album na yun, about from the word Helwick. So, parang very stressful siya. So, ayun, naranasan ko kasi maging artist tapos maging student at the same time. Pinagsasabay ko sila. So, doon ko nilabas lahat ng pagod, ayun, emotion, mga experiences sa school, experiences sa music. Ayun.
Pero when you were going through school, and you're going to school and you were an artist, so I'm sure kumakanta ka lagi sa school.
Minsan.
Ikaw yung go-to. Ikaw yung go-to.
Oo,
Ano school mo?
Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila.
Oy, okay,
PLM.
hello. PLM. Okay, so and then now that you're a recording artist, you have your record with Sony. I mean, how did they receive you sa school? Like parang, uy, kalasi ko lang no araw yan.
Ayun, ganun pa rin. Same pa rin naman. Pakikitungo, ganun. Pero, ayun, thank you kay Sony Music kasi maraming doors tsaka opportunities na dumating. Ayun.
When it comes to that, that's what labels do it. They get
yeah.
your music out there. Sometimes it does get frustrated as a singer-songwriter na para bang, okay, ang ganda ng kanta ko, paano nga pala maririnig? Diba? So, okay, so where can they catch you live?
Ayun, to be announced. So, you can follow me na lang sa social media ko. Jed Baruelo, IG, Facebook, TikTok. Ayan.
Okay, so we're gonna get to know more of your story and your music in a bit.
Yes,
We're gonna hear we're gonna sing some more songs. Okay, the next song is called Lutang.
Mm-mm.
Okay, what's the story behind that?
About siya sa love na di mo ma-confess. Pero kala mo sa sarili mo ang tapang mo, pero hindi naman pala.
Oh nga, nararamdaman ko yung I can't wait to hear this. Kasi kanina, cool off, break na tayo.
Yeah.
You are able to get the courage to walk. And that's hard,
Yeah.
Di ba? Ngayon ba, when you had the courage to finally walk away, tas sumikat ka na ngayon, do that person still
Ay, hindi.
nagkaparamdam?
Hindi, wala. Masaya na ako ngayon.
You're happy. Okay. That's what matters.
Yeah.
Diba? Life is too short.
Very fulfilled.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Meron tayong next song later, Fulfilled. Nalaka lang. Okay, so let's hear the song, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we got him live once again. If you have any comments, do put it there. If you want to send out a message to him, put it there on our comment section, and we'll ask the questions. We got him live once again. We got Jed here on the concert series.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
Yeah, we got him live. Jed, he is performing, and all these songs he has written, all part of Hell Week. Well, this one, some of the songs. Now, the new album, what's the title?
Wala pa po. Yun pa lang po yung
EP pa
album
lang,
ko.
EP. Okay. Well, the new song, no?
New
The
song. Yeah.
Okay, so, I mean, for you, what's harder to write? A happy song or a heartbroken song?
Para sa akin, happy song eh.
Yeah. It's harder.
Oo, kasi parang mas madalas ako mag-senti eh, kaya mas madali sad song.
So like at the time when you wrote that, you were sad, and then you're happy now. Performing it, is it more of like a good riddance? This is like my milestone now. Ganun may titignan mo siya, parang, nakalipas ko na to. Parang,
Oo, medyo, I guess. Oo. Parang na siya, more of a message na siya pag pina-perform ko live na, ayun, baka may nakaka-relate. So, kailangan, kung ano yung kinakanta ko, kailangan nakaka-connect ako sa kanila. Like, nararamdaman nila yung song na ano.
I mean, great
Yeah.
songwriting.
Thank you.
When did you start? I mean, from the introduction, you were already playing different instruments and all that. I mean, when is it time that you had to take it professionally? Na parang, uy, there's something here,
Ayun. Nag-start kasi ako magsulat na ng songs. Nasa high school na ako eh. Parang, nasa high school na. Tapos parang, nung mga bandang pandemic, after pandemic onte, sumasama ko sa dad ko, mag-gig. Ayun, tapos...
Did your dad play as well?
Guitar.
What band?
He's now with, Cage Band, pero dati, Zoo Band.
A Zoo? Really? Wow! Okay. It's Pido. No, Pido's from Take One, no? Sino pa kasama sa Zoo? Nakita ko sa Zoo, like Hard Rock Cafe. Am I right?
Yeah.
Hey! It's a street life.
Street Life.
Yeah, di ba?
Pioneer? Street Life.
Oh, see. This is your dad. Oh,
Yes,
hey, man. How you doing?
mm.
Okay. What are the things that you've learned from your dad? Since he was doing it professionally, tapos time mo, ikaw naman ngayon. Does he help you with
oo.
songwriting? Does he guide you?
Constructive criticism, siguro. Ayun, siguro sa mga, syempre sa mga guitar part, kasi medyo meticulous siya kasi guitar player, pero nanghingi ako ng suggestions kasi
Lalo na yung
you
mga
gotta
lead,
ask
no?
sa mga pro.
Yung mga scaling and all that. But then the good part there is you have access to his guitars. Diba? So,
Lahat ng gamit ko pang record ng guitar dati, yun sa kanya.
diba? Mahal pa naman ng mga pedal, mga
Oo.
Zoom, yung mga pedal, ang mamahal nun for you to get access to that. But that's great though, that you guys are sharing, knowledge together. Have you guys ever written music together?
Hindi pa eh. Pero feeling ko sa kanya ko nakuha yung sa songwriting, hilig sa songwriting kasi at an early age nakikita ko na siya magsulat ng songs pina-perform din nila. So
This is the first time in the show that I've been hosting a studio years that I saw a father and son here on stage. And what's your message for your dad, man?
Thank you, love you.
Thank
you.
Galing. Dad, liga dito, pasok ka sa frame. Pumasok ka dito, Dad. Si Dad. Okay. Dad, what's your name, Dad?
I'm Joey.
Joey, come here, Joey. Okay, what's your message for your son? Because he's making all the music now.
Just keep doing kung saan ka magaling at saan yung gusto mo, basta make sure meron kang gagastusin para sa medyo mahirap to ha. Medyo mahirap na profession to pero masaya.
So I mean, how about you? When's your gig? Zoo, you guys playing?
Nag-plug bigla no. And every Thursday sa Noctos Bar dito sa Quezon City, and Saturdays I have I think it's Hard Jack Manila this Saturday. Meron pa ako isang gig sa Diamond Hotel.
Oh, diba? Thank you, Dad. Thank you very much. Thank you. Mama, make some noise for the dad. What's your dad's name? Joey. And from Zoo. Album. Are you guys coming out with an album? Gage, okay, concert series, Gage. Balik kayo dito. But hey, congratulations. The travel and everything and the music. And where can they catch you? I guess follow your socials na lang, though, for the shows.
Yes.
What's the last song you got for us, man?
Ito yung hit song ko, Hulog.
And what's the inspiration behind Nahuhulog?
Inspiration ko yung girlfriend ko. Nung pandemic kasi di kami nagkikita So, parang doon ko na lang nilagay yung emotions ko. Gusto kita makita.
But that's great, though. You didn't give up on the relationship.
Yeah.
Because your pandemic, it tried a lot of people. And then you guys are happy. Congratulations, yeah?
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
So this is Nahuhulog. We got him live, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Jed. Dude, follow his socials. What are your socials?
Jed Baruelo, IG, Facebook, TikTok. And pwede ba mag-shoutout?
Go!
And shout out. And Monster, thank you so much for having me here. And
Anytime.
Gino, thank you so much.
Anytime.
Sony Music Philippines, thank you. Miss Chen, hello. Sabi mo, shoutout. Hello. Thank you, promo team. Thank you so much. And ayun, Kuya Robbie, hello. Thank you. Thank you so much. And ayun, salamat sa mga ito mong song pala na ipe-play ko na Hulog. Recently 120 million streams na siya on Spotify. So thank you so much sa pag-support sa music ko and sa buong OPM. Sana patuloy ang pakikinig nyo. And ayun, keep streaming my songs, Hellweek music video also out now. And ayun, thank you so much. Ayun, mabuhay kayong lahat.
And the thing there now is manifest what the future,
Yeah.
I know, sa'yo, what are you planning to manifest? What's your wish?
Ako, manifesting solo concert.
Yeah. Okay, start there, no? Okay, that's coming up.
Yan
All right.
muna. Okay.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Make some noise for Jed.
The concert series. Live on the Monster.